Hey everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process video for my creative scrapbook. Today I am using the October main kit, and this gorgeous kit features the American Crafts Farmstead Harvest collection. It also has a few pieces of pattern paper and chipboard from the Carta Bella Hello Autumn collection. I created a mixed media background for my layout using the Vicky Bouton stencil that was included in the kit and some Distress Oxide inks. I think I used tumbled grass and maybe speckled egg on this background and blended those colors together. Then I added some splatters of spray mist on my background. I wanted to create a pile of leaves for this layout, so I had a cut file of a maple leaf that I cut out of a bunch of the different pattern papers that were in the kit. This includes both the Carta Bella and the Farmstead Harvest papers. To add some texture to my layout, I went and did some machine stitching on each leaf. Then I arranged them on my background into a pile. My orderly brain wanted all the leaves pointing up, but really in a true leaf pile they would be every which way, so you could do whatever you like. I am going to add the chipboard banner to some jute, and I am going to do this not on my layout, but I want to give it time to dry before I add it to my layout so that I could arrange it later. And I'm leaving lots of extra jute on the ends so that I can twirl them around on my layout. While that's drying, I am going to start adding some embellishments to my layout. I pulled out the chipboard truck and put that to the left of my photo. And there was also this crate of apples there. And because I am scrapbooking my niece at the apple orchard eating an apple, I really wanted more of the farm and apple embellishments from the kit. Once my banner was a little bit more dry, I went and glued it to my layout underneath my photo. And then I am adding more glue on my background paper so that I can arrange the jute in loops and it will stay once the glue is dry. I added a few phrase stickers to the upper right of my photo. These say Harvest and Hello Fall. And I have some pumpkins here I put behind my crate of apples on the right side. And I'm also going to add another pumpkin. I'm going to pop up and put it to the right of that crate of apples. I wanted to do something in the upper left in that pile of leaves, so I went through the die-cut ephemera pieces I had, and there was one that said, "Enjoy the small things." And I thought that was pretty appropriate. I mean, we're at an apple orchard and apples are small. So I put that there, popped it up on some foam tape, and I am arranging a few of the chipboard apples around it. I tied some jute into the top of a tag. I put that above my photo. Then I got out my bow easy, and I am going to tie a double bow. I put bows on lots of my layouts, and I use this tool all the time. There were some gold foil accents in the Enjoy the Small Things die-cut ephemera piece I used, so I decided to add some more dimension to my layout. I got out my gold distress stickles, and I'm adding little dots of gold stickles in 3 places on my layout. By the title there on the left side, by my crate on the right side, and then at the top of my layout. So I've created a triangle that will draw your eye around my layout. And that's my layout. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to check out all the My Creative Scrapbook kits. Again, I am using the October main kit. They also have a limited edition kit, a creative kit, and an album kit. Bye-bye now.